People, so this it this is my, I think, 22nd video, but it just feels so good to shoot. uh, People, the reason behind catching hold of subscribers, like by hook or by crook, is, you can have the world's best channel and world's best content, but if you don't have people know about it, what is the use? Yeah, I mean, so basically this is the tip I've learned from Harv T Ecker. You all should Google him. Not just Google him, yeah, you can find him on YouTube also. And my god, he's known for his it's called Millionaire Summit or something, about how he built his millions, millionaires. He's now a billionaire, really. So this is, I think, by far the most important marketing strategy, that wherever you go, you should take your product with you. I mean, like, people should know, you should be like the walking advertisement for your product, and that's how you'll attract an audience and all of that. And because I am doing all this since I want an entrepreneur's lifestyle, yeah, like deciding my own time, and then uh, working when it's perfect for me, rather than, like, most of our lives we are just like, it's a slavery. So instead, to do something what your heart tells you to do, I think that is success. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.